We've already provided details regarding the choice by Aston Martin to relaunch the Lagonda marque with the challenging vision idea at the Geneva car exhibition. However, we've likewise addressed organization CEO Andy Palmer about his more drawn-out term gets ready for what is presently an extravagance of producer. For a begin, he stated, "We ought not consider Lagonda to be an immediate opponent to Britain's other since quite a while ago settled best flight vehicle creators," in spite of the fact that Palmer is quick to stress that Lagonda has a history longer than that of even Aston Martin. The extravagance showcase today, he stated, is characterized by Rolls-Royce and Bentley with a 3-box car, and furthermore by the development of the extravagance SUV advertised in their general vicinity, Palmer disclosed to us when we addressed him about the new auto in the United Kingdom. "Today, what you have is a duopoly. They each to an expansive degree take after the way alternate as their business. By and by, I don't think the world needs another extravagance 3-box vehicle, so we require another approach to address the client. Which implies picking a client who is marginally on the peripheries of that gathering. What we've done is look toward a somewhat more youthful client, some individual who is earth-mindful however by and by affluent." Palmer figures this is a gathering of purchasers, including numerous well-to-do innovation players, who are not being served by the built-up extravagance showcase. "Take a gander at Tesla deals," he said. "All Model S cars are completely spec'd, so there's unmistakably not a riches requirement there. It's kin needing to have what is seen as a green auto. Today they are not purchasing Rolls-Royces or Bentleys. They are purchasing completely spec Teslas or something different that communicates their greenness. Be that as it may, while hemp-wearing business people are a piece of the blend, a similarly vital market is Asia, particularly China, where profound sap is now being arranged." In January, Aston declared that it means to put what might as well be called $830 million into China throughout the following 5 years, with Palmer saying the arrangement is to put quite a bit of that in electrical powertrain advancement. "In the event that you need to offer autos in China profiting from state-allow help, you need to fit batteries that are dominatingly made in China," he clarified. In any case, the second side is that China is making itself as a pioneer in EVs and has an extremely encouraging supply base. "I am extremely intrigued by the likelihood of sourcing parts for Lagonda from China, which isn't a customary supply base of our own. While the creation adaptation of the Aston Martin DBX will in the end accompany an EV powertrain, the Lagonda will be the main unadulterated electric model sharing that stage." Palmer has beforehand said he conceives that up to a fourth of the organization's aggregate deals will be EVs by 2030, with Lagonda liable to frame the main part of that. The primary Lagonda will be a vehicle, in spite of the fact just like some other car you've seen previously, and Palmer said we ought to anticipate that it will go at a bargain after the dispatch of the DBX hybrid in 2020, around a similar time the organization presents the mid-engine supercar that is set to sit beneath the Valkyrie in the corporate progression. This will at that point be supplanted by a greater SUV, which will be sold for a year or so before another model takes after.